Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to add friends on Telegram app by phone number. In order to add friends on Telegram by using phone number, first you'll need to open your Telegram app. This is the first interface you will see of Telegram. Now from here, you'll have to tap on the three horizontal lines on the top left corner of your screen. Here, your profile details along with a lot of options will pop up on your screen. From here, you'll have to tap on the contacts option. From here, you can also make new group, new secret chat, and new channel. Now, to add friends by using phone number, you'll have to tap on the plus-like icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, you'll have to write their first name, and in the second box, you'll have to write their last name. Now, finally, in the third box, you'll have to add phone number. After you do that, you'll have to tap on Create Contact option. And just like that, you have successfully added friends on Telegram by using phone number. This was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to add friends on Telegram by using phone number. Thank you for staying till the very end of this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us like, share, and subscribe.